Here I have Motorola Moto G51, and today I'm going to show you how to add custom watermark in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap on the gear icon to access its settings, go to the photos, watermark. So firstly you'll have to enable device watermark, and here you can, in signature, you can add your own custom watermark. Would be like that. And now let's try to take a photo with our new watermark. And as you can see, here we have photo with our new watermark. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.